Good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is, wherever you are. My name is Mike, and this is my YouTube channel, and it's mainly about how to make some extra cash. And as you can tell from this gray hair and lack of hair, I'm getting a little bit older in life. I'm currently 48, I turned 49 in just a few weeks, and I have a few life goals that I'd like to complete, and those are going to require more money. So, for example, I would like to go to Burning Man before I'm too old and can't enjoy the benefits of going. Like before I can't walk or before I become completely deaf from all the concerts I went to as a child. I'd like to go to Glastonbury, which is another concert out in the UK at a place called something Ranch. I forget what it's called, but it looks like a blast of a concert. It's a place I'd really like to go. Obviously, I like those kind of events. Those are what I'd like to do. I already have a house and a car and wife and kids and dog and all that kind of stuff, so I don't need to check those off my bucket list. But doing things and going places is definitely something I'd like to check off. So to do that, I have to earn extra cash. Like, I have a good job and I enjoy it and I work from home and I really can't complain. But you know, as you get older and as you acquire more expenses, those things your job just basically covers the expenses. So I need more money. I need more money to go to dinner, go to trips, and buy camera gear. So I'd like you to follow me on this journey as I do this. I have tried the Uber Eats thing and the skip the dishes. Those don't work well. I've tried, I still do flip a lot of things, but that's more or less scrap. So the next thing I'm going to flip is on Amazon, the FBA, which is the Fulfillment by Amazon. So hopefully you'll join me on that part of the journey, and we'll see where it goes. If you like these kind of videos, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Leave a comment. I'm always interested in those. And we shall talk again, hopefully. Thanks for joining me.